Hey everybody, welcome back to another tutorial with Sir JayDomain to get you this immersive gaming audio setup. This is going to be for games like League of Legends or Rocket League or single player games that you want more of the immersive gaming like Assassin's Creed or Horizon Dawn and Red Dead Redemption and so forth. So if you want something that's going to just be an immersive type gameplay, this is it for you. I'm going to assume that you have all the software that's needed already. You already have Wave Link 3.0. You have ReaPlugs already plugged in. This is a continuation series of all the other videos I've already created. Go ahead and go to eqdomain.com, hit accept, choose your realm. We're doing PC still. Those console players, I will be coming out with a video for y'all soon. Launch EQ domain. Here you want to select your game. The game is going to be immersive game. Search for your headphones. Mine is the HD560S. If for some reason you cannot find your headphones on, click here, try to search through it this way. If you can't find it, you can paste your own. So what we'll do is we'll go over to squig.link, jump over here, close this out, close here. You can search anything you want. I'm going to search HD560 as well. I'm going to just jump to gadgetry as well. Let that load, hit X. We're going to enable dark mode. I'm going to do the Harman 2018. You can do AutoEQ or Harman 2013 or any of the other ones that you want. This is straight up just the basic target for your headphones. I know it says for music targets, and these are for gaming target for him. These are his own target curves, not mine. So Harman 2018, just to get that baseline curve, go ahead and go to equalizer, hit X. You want to choose your headphones here, hit AutoEQ. You'll get a new line here, green. Then you want to export as parametric EQ. Sometimes it'll say parametric, sometimes it won't. You might want to do AutoEQ here if you see an AutoEQ for your headphones, so then you can import your own. Go ahead and open that up, bring that down, copy this over, hit copy, go on over to here, hit Control V, paste that in there and use this correction. This way you got your 10 bands, scroll down, then you'll have your headphone correction right here. You'll be able to go through all this. Anywho, we got the primary settings here. Jump into Wave Link, hit add. We are going to create an empty channel and do game. Go ahead and jump up over here, go to effects, add effect. We're going to just add the 3 here. So 1 EQ, 1 ReaComp, that's going to be the peak shield, and that's going to be also your headphone correction. Go into here, ReaEQ. We'll add 10 bands because that's what it's going to be. I'm just going to close it out. We're going to double click this, do EQ, game, target, add effects, regular ReaComp, no ReaXComp. Close that out. Go into here, close it out, double click. I'm going to change it to peak shield, and we're going to do the headphone correction. Go into the ReaEQ, add 10 bands, close it out because we're going to come back EQ, HP for headphone correction. Here, close this out. Now you want to do this before the next step. Hit here. If you have Dolby Atmos, I would suggest to try it out. I prefer Dolby Atmos with most games. It gives you that extra edge for surround spatial sound, but it is not always needed. So we're going to go into the Windows sound setting. Go into control panel, type in hardware and sound, or click on hardware and sound, click on sound. This will pop up, find game, click properties. If you have spatial sound, you can keep it off if you want, or you can change it to Dolby Atmos. That's what I prefer. I'm going to hit apply, but you also want to go to advanced. You want to make sure this is 48,000 hertz, 2 channel, 24-bit, and uncheck these. Normally you uncheck the first one, it'll uncheck both of them. Hit apply, hit OK. That's what it says right up in here. It says both checkboxes unchecked. Close that out. Go ahead and go through here. Bring this all the way to the side. Bring this over here. Click this. Click on that game target here. Make sure you go through each one of these. So this is one. This is one. I made sure to try to have these tabs all represented. So make sure you check each type. I believe only the 1st and the 10th have a different type right here. So you got the low shelf, low shelf. Make sure you check for all of these. They're all bands. So you go to the 4th one that says high shelf, change that to band. Go to the 10th, high shelf, change that to high shelf. All right. Make sure all of those types are the same in each one of these. Then you just simply copy and paste. I'm not going to do every single one of these. I'm just going to do the first part with you and copy and paste. So go through each one of these with the tabs together, make sure that they're all the same, copy and paste. The if clipping part down here, that's going to be over here. So if you start having issues where it looks like or sounds like it's cutting out, then you can copy and paste that gain reduction in there. I always say try it without it first. Most people will not have any clipping or any distortion, but if you do, add this to it. Otherwise, keep it 0. Finish through that. I'm going to close this out, and all you have to do is close that and it'll save. Peak shield, same thing. Make sure you hit every single one of these. So copy, copy, paste this. I'll do most of these with you. Copy, paste this. This one will round up by itself. So if you close it back out, back up, see it rounded up. Just go ahead and paste all of these in there. Make sure this is limit output, check that off, and then you're done. I'm not going to go through each and every one of those just to make the video a little fast. Same thing with headphone correction. Make sure you check each one of these. Band. There's bands for every single one of these. But for some people, depending on the headphone correction, you might have a low shelf and a high shelf as well. So make sure you pay attention to that for each type. So you would open this one up, go through each one, make sure, for me right now it says band for everything. So you want to go through every single one of those, make sure everything is banned. Then I'll just do the first section with you, copy, paste, and copy and paste. And then just make sure you do that chronologically with each and every one of them. Go ahead and close this out, that saves and that saves. If for some reason you have a game such as Assassin's Creed that you are not able to select your specific audio device in the game itself, then add the game here. So as you can see, it's not popping up for me for my Assassin's Creed at the moment, only because it hasn't played any audio yet. So sometimes you have to play audio from that device or game, the software, before it can even pick it up. So I'm going to pause it, boot up the game, and show you. As you see, I'm getting audio in here. Go ahead and hit add. Then you can find Assassin's Creed Mirage or whatever game it is. Normally it'll pop up right there at the top, the current active ones. Otherwise you would search AC, Mirage, or Assassin's Creed. Sometimes you have to spell it out. Sometimes even other games such as Arc Raiders is a different name than it actually is. Right now it says Arc Raiders, but I think it said like Pioneer something before. So just take note of that. Generally it'll be the same application icon like here and right here. And if you did it correctly, you'll see that the Assassin's Creed audio or whatever game you're playing that has audio going through it right now is already bouncing off right here. In order to hear it though, you want to make sure in Wave Link that you have your actual headphones unmuted and selected and the volume up. For some people who have sensitive earbuds or something that is super extremely loud, this is essentially the Windows settings. Found mine. It's this one right here. Go to properties, go to levels. As you can see here, you can control your Windows settings internal right here. So if y'all got really sensitive headphones, start off 1%, keep working your way up until it's good audio for you. It should not mess with any of the equalization at all. Just make sure this is also unmuted, the ones that you're using, or you can add it if you haven't added it yet. I'll close that out. And on top of that, if you want to hear the game, check this off because that's where the headphones are. You can adjust the volume here or here, but I like to do it just for the headphones because if you want to play it through the speakers, you can add through speakers if you want as well. Anyhow, this concludes the tutorial. Just wanted to try to make it as quick as possible. If you have any issues or you want other game target that I do not have in here yet, I've been focusing mostly on Call of Duty and Arc Raiders, but I can make my way around doing other games as well. Just leave a comment and or join the Discord, which you can reach right here at the very bottom. It says join the realm. Anywho, God bless you all and have a wonderful day. Jesus loves y'all. Take care.